What's going on, guys? Kurt here, and guys, today I'm doing a review of the brand new Cryptomatic360 software. Now guys, this software, what it does is it predicts where the Bitcoin and crypto markets, the Forex market, or where the precious metals markets are going to head. And it's something that if you are into trading, whether it's cryptocurrencies, Forex, uh, precious metals like gold and silver, or even if you're looking to get into trading, okay, this is a software that's definitely going to give you a huge advantage when it comes to making your trades. So we're here on the sales page, and as it says here, imagine if you could predict what move Bitcoin, other major cryptocurrencies, gold, silver, Forex, and even any stock will make in the next 1 hour or 4 hours or even tomorrow. How would that change your financial life with this blockchain madness? Now, we're going to go through the sales page today, and then what we're going to do is after you go through the sales page, we're going to talk a little bit about the software. We're also going to look over the front-end product and the OTOs, because like every other product in the IM space, you're going to be offered some upgrades that are going to enhance your purchase. And then we're going to talk about my special bonus that you're going to be getting, okay? So as we scroll through the sales page, you can actually watch a video here that's going to kind of explain the whole concept behind Cryptomatic360 and the whole concept behind why it's going to help you get better results in your trading. And you read a little story right here about the person they call Mr. X, which is the guy in the video. And as you scroll down, you're going to we have little news articles here about Bitcoin and trading. And one thing I like to look for, I like a sales page that's got a lot of good information on it. I like a sales page that tells you what the software is going to do, or whatever the product is. But I also like to see that the people behind it are going to stand behind that product. And as I scroll down here, we have screenshots here from the software, and there is also a short demo. I mean, there's a little short demo that you can watch of the software in action. You can see how it works. And I like to see that the people behind the software, like I said, I want to see that they're going to actually stand behind it, and I want to see that they actually guarantee, your satisfaction. Okay, obviously nobody can guarantee results. Results are consistent, are conditioned upon your actions and your mindset and what your follow through. So no software, no matter how automated or how great it is, can actually, guarantee results. But people behind the software can guarantee your satisfaction with the software or with whatever product it is. And I like to see that they actually follow through and guarantee your satisfaction. Well, first of all, let's talk about that. There's actually a 30-day money-back guarantee, where if you're not satisfied for any reason whatsoever, and I'll scroll down to the guarantee itself so you can see it. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the software for any reason whatsoever, you can just let them know, and they will refund your money back full price, full money back, no problem, no questions asked. Okay. So one thing I want to talk about next is the front-end product and the OTOs, or the one-time offers, because these, like I said, every product in the ad niche, at least the ones that you see launching on major launches, they always have additional upgrades that are optional that you can use to take advantage of to help enhance your results with the product. And let me go over to my blog post, my review post here, and you actually might be watching this on my blog actually, but let's go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to scroll down to my section where I talk about the OTOs and the front-end product. So the front-end product for this is, of course, the Cryptomatic360 software. And again, make sure you read through the sales page and watch that demo so you can get an idea of how it works. And you're going to get three options to buy the software. You're going to have an option to pay monthly for $37. Okay, you're going to have a yearly option for $147, or you can cut out all the subscription payments and just pay one time $197 and get the software for life. And you get full updates for life as well, and full support for life of the software. So, in my personal opinion, $197 is going to be the one that you're going to want to get into grab if you're serious about trading. Now, if you just wanted to kind of dip your toe in the water and kind of test the software out, and you're not sure if you really want to, fork out the $197, just go for the monthly option. But if you're serious, you definitely want to go with the $197, the one-time lifetime charter membership. Okay. Now, OTL 1 is the Cryptomatic Masterclass. That is a 4-week intensive training on crypto. Okay, with the makers behind the software. You can learn all about cryptocurrency and how it works and how you can use it to make money. Then we have OTL 2, which is the Cryptomatic Concierge Service, and that is a done-for-you startup service for crypto newbies. So if you're brand new to crypto, or even if you're not brand new, if maybe you're experienced but you just want to get a little extra knowledge or even a little extra help, this is the option that's best for you. And then OTL 3 is the Cryptomatic Club Inner Circle, where you're going to get, it's $27 a month, and that's you're going to get group coaching on Facebook and via webinar. So let's go over these once again real quick, because I think I missed a few of the price points. So the front-end product is, of course, the software, the Cryptomatic360 software, and that's, you got 3 options: $37 a month, $147 a year, or $197 lifetime charter membership, which is the one I highly recommend. The first one-time offer is the Cryptocurrency Masterclass. That's $97. That's a 4-week intensive training on cryptocurrency with live Q&A. The second OTO is the Cryptomatic Concierge Service. That's $197. That's a done-for-you startup service for crypto newbies. And then finally, we have the third one-time offer, which is the Cryptomatic Club Inner Circle for $27 a month, and that includes group coaching. It's a group coaching program via Facebook and webinars. Okay, so now that we talked about the software a little bit, we talked about the OTOs and the front end product. I want to talk to you about a bonus I'm giving you. When you take action, you grab your copy through the link on this page. Okay, so right now I am working on a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency course. Okay, and I actually have the course up, but I have not actually launched it fully. Okay, it's up for sale. It's ready. I'm probably gonna make some changes to it, but has not been fully launched, as in like you'd see most products in our space launching. With a lot of pre-launching, a lot of buzz. I've got it ready. I just have not actually fully launched it out to the public yet. Well, what I want to do, and actually when you click the Buy Now button down below on this page, if you're on my review page or if you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link down below. There's going to be another video on that page that's going to tell you a little bit more about this product. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you full access to the product. It starts out with a free report that anybody can download, and then it goes into a few one-time offers. Okay, and it goes to some ebooks and then video courses, and it just goes up. And I'm probably going to be adjusting that funnel here a little bit, maybe adding more to the funnel. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you full access to the front-end product and all the upgrades, all the OTOs. Okay, so you're going to get full free access to all that. And again, you'll get details on when you click the link below and go to that next page. I talk about it a little more in that video. But you're going to get full access to that. Plus, it's actually ready for purchase, so it's ready for affiliates to promote. Again, it's just not launched it off fully yet as a public launch. What I'm going to do for you is not only are you going to get access to every single level of the funnel, all the products inside the funnel, you're also going to get instant approval as an affiliate. Okay, I'm launching this on the Warrior Plus marketplace. You got to get full access to the product, instant approval as an affiliate, and what I'm also going to do for you is I'm going to give you 100% commissions, not on just the front end product. I'm going to give you 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel. Okay, so I'm not taking any cut out of this. You're going to get the entire, all of it is going to be you. Warrior Plus, of course, takes their small fee out of that, but you're going to get all the commission for this. So full access to the product, the course, you got instant approval as an affiliate, and also 100% commission for the entire funnel of the product. And again, like I said, I have not launched it fully off as a huge launch to the public, but when I do, number one, when it does go full launch, you're going to actually get more exposure, of course, because you're already in as an affiliate. But everyone else who gets in later, everyone else who gets in who does not buy Cryptomatic360, okay, only people who buy Cryptomatic360 are going to get the 100% commission on my product as a bonus. Okay, anybody else who gets in when it goes the full launch is going to get 50% commission. Okay, you're going to get 100% commission on this. Okay, so, and by the way, all the information in that course is something you can actually translate into use with the Cryptomatic360 software. So it's not just a random bonus just thrown together like a bunch of crap. It's something you can actually use with the software you're actually purchasing today. Okay. So guys, this is Kurt. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you click the button down below or link down below. Grab your copy of Cryptomatic360 right now. It's only going to be available for a few days. I'm not sure exactly how long it's going to go for. I actually haven't been told the actual close-off date of the launch, but I don't think it won't be very long. Maybe a week at the most, probably. So make sure you keep your eyes on that. And again, click the button below. Get your copy as soon as you can. And like I said before, a charter membership is probably going to be the best bet for you. But if you don't have the 197, go ahead and go for the monthly membership, and you should be able to upgrade to a charter membership after that. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Talk to you then.